They do, they do.
Hello there G-babes and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you so much for subscribing. On this channel we grow and glow together. We make magic together, and thank you so much for your support, guys. We are so close in reaching 1k subbies and I need your help by you sharing, commenting, liking my videos. It really helps me and for me to get noticed and for me to grow so that we can grow and glow together. On this video today, I'll be showing you how I do my makeup when I have a casting on a day and I still want to look as natural as possible but still want to have the little makeup glow, if that makes sense. So let's get right into this video. First things first, we need to moisturize the lips. To moisturize my lips, I'm using my Elizabeth Arden. This is the Intensive Lip Repair Balm. I absolutely love this balm. It does the things that need to be done. Then, before I do anything, I apply sunscreen to my face. Sunscreen is really important, guys. This is Cetaphil sunscreen and it is SPF 50, so it's doing the things that need to be done. So here we go, and then I just apply that all over my face. Like, I can look as crazy as possible but I still apply sunscreen. And the one thing about this Cetaphil sunscreen is it doesn't leave me looking blue, black or purple. Like, I hate sunscreen that do that to dark skinned ladies and men. Like, sunscreen like this, and I feel like this is maybe why a lot of people don't wear sunscreen, because of the blue black effect and purple effect some sunscreens give. So there we go. I applied my sunscreen evenly on my face and on my neck, and you can see it is blended. I don't want to say blended, but it really absorbed so well. So there we go, got it there. There we go. It's very hot. Then I go in with my Catrice Balance Hydro Spray and I just spray my whole face. Woo. That is so refreshing. That is so refreshing. Now this is the trick, because I don't do the whole makeup thing, I don't do the contouring thing, I don't do the highlighting thing. I just do literally like the bare minimum on my skin when I have castings, because I want to look as natural as possible so that they can still see my skin but that at least I'm not too shiny on camera. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color 342 and the color is Warm Hazel. So I just put a bit on the back of my hand, not a lot, just like so. I feel like I should do a review on this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation because this is my second tub or purchase and it's not stopping now. Same thing, I just spritz my foundation brush and then I go in while my face is still damp. You can see how nicely the foundation is blending in and it's still giving me the skin-like finish that I do want, because at the end I want to look as natural as possible. So I just applied all over my face. You can see it's really giving me a natural finish. So I don't want to look like Barbie doll, Bratz dollish, because it's a casting and at the end they want to see the natural form of my face and my figure. So I'm not gonna lie, I really don't overcompensate when it comes to castings, and I prefer doing castings with my natural hair. So you can see how nice the blend is, and you can still see some of my blemishes, and that's the whole thing, because I want them to see that I do not have a perfect skin, but that it's not that bad. Do you understand? And just to control the shine when I'm on camera and doing my audition. So there we go. Oh, and it's so light. Ta-da. Now you can see my face still has a bit of the shine. So now to control the shine, I'm going to use my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. You guys know I live and breathe this powder. I've mentioned it a lot of times on my channel. And I feel like this powder is the perfect powder because it's translucent and it controls the shine. So if you're standing in line for an hour, sometimes it can be an hour, waiting for your number to be called, then this is the perfect then this is the perfect powder because it really controls the shine. So I just put that all over my face. Look, immediately my face is mattified. So, oh, I want to my face is mattified. We are looking cute, and this is a very, very easy look because remember, it's for casting, so I'm not going to spend hours on my look. I'm not going to spend hours on my makeup. It's just something simple and that's put together that will allow me to still cast and look cute without shining. So there we go. So for now, that is it with my face. Moving on to my brows. My brows are micro shaded, so I didn't have to do much. So I usually just brush them out like so because you need to look put together. So I just brush them out. And this is the only part I feel like where I actually use concealer. So after brushing them out, I just usually, so this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. We all know this Pro Concealer. We all know this concealer. Everybody uses it. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal and this is in the color Fawn. I usually just use this concealer to just give my eyebrows more of a bit of a shape. And then I just put concealer on my eyelids too. You see, it's not a lot. At the end, I'm just trying for my eyelids to not be so dark. And then I just blend out the concealer. Now that my concealer is blended out, and as you can see, everything looks as natural as possible. But after blending out my concealer, I'm going to go in just with a light color, just to kind of set my eyes but still give me a bit of color and give me the natural look. This is my Soiree Diaries palette, one of my favorite palettes actually. I know it doesn't look like it because most of the colors are still full, but it's actually one of my favorite colors. I'm going in with the color Socialite. So I'm going in with the Socialite color and then I'm just patting it. You can see it's a very, very light pink. I want to say it's a pink color, but you can see it's giving me a natural finish. And then I just pat it with a brush. Eyeshadow is done. Now for the mascara. For my mascara, I'm using two. So this one is from Essence. This is the green Lash Princess one. And then this one is from MAC. This is Haute and Naughty 2 Black Lash. And then I just apply mascara. done. Now for the cheeks. Yes, it's a very natural look when I go for castings, but I still want to warm my face up a bit. And for my blush, I'm using my favorite blush. This is from Nude, and this is, which one? Desert Rose. So you can see it just warms up my face a bit, not too much. The whole thing is not too much. We're going to a casting, you want to look as natural as possible, and you still want to have your features and let your features speak for themselves. Now for the glow. You guys know how I love glow, and we are not letting this glow pass me by. We are not. So just not a lot. I literally try not put a lot on, so you can see. Ooh, that is perfect. Not a lot. There we go. Yep, just about there, and on the nose, and then on the collarbone, especially if I'm wearing like a spaghetti top, like I want my collarbones to be defined. So there we go. And then setting spray. This setting spray is from Maybelline. This is the Lasting Fix setting spray. It's very light, so light. To finish off the look, I'm going in with my Revlon Kiss Plumping lip cream. It's a very neutral, natural color, so I don't like wearing color on my lips when I go for casting. So I just want my lips to look as natural as possible. This is it. It's an easy look that I do when I go for castings, but you can use this look as an everyday look, as an effortless look, and still look cute and put together. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I really want to reach that 1K subscriber. Like, it's my goal. So I want to reach 1K, and I can't do that if you guys don't subscribe. Till next time, thank you for watching.